Hi, my name is Joe, and today I'll be showing you what the library of functions is and how to solve a piecewise function. The library of functions is a list of functions which can be used on a graph, starting with the constant, linear, absolute value, quadratic, cubic, square root, cube root, and reciprocal functions. Now, we'll start working on the piecewise function. So just by looking at it, you can see f of x is equal to x squared when x is less than 0, f of x is equal to 4 when x equals 0, and f of x equals x plus 3 when x is greater than 0. Now, to start graphing, I kind of see the graph as three sections. X is less than 0 will be on the left side, x equals 0 will be on the y-axis where x equals 0, and x is greater than 0 will be on the right side. Now to start, you can see f of x as y, so y equals x squared when x is less than 0. So you can pick negative 1 as your first point because it's less than 0, and you'll have to square it. So negative 1 squared is 1, your first point will be negative 1, 1. Pick the next point, negative 2. Square negative 2, you get 4. So your next point will be negative 2, 4. You bring that down all the way to 0, but you put an open circle on it. Put the open circle because that function is only for when x is less than 0, so it cannot equal 0. Now, where x does equal 0 is when y equals 4. So you go to 0, and then you go to 4, and then there it is. Alright. So, the next one is y equals x plus 3 when x is greater than 0. So it'll be on the right side, right? X plus 3, that means your y-intercept will be plus 3. And the slope is x, which is 1 over 1. So it'll be up 1, and then up 1. And there your line is for that function. Now it's graphed. Now you can find the domain. We can find the domain before we graph or after we graph, it doesn't matter. But it's pretty easy for this function. So, as we can see, if we look at the right side of the piecewise function, we have x is less than 0, x is greater than 0, and x is equal to 0 rather, and then x is greater than 0, which that means that all numbers are shown in the piecewise function. So the domain will be negative infinity to infinity, and that is your domain.